The return of Spotify Camp Nou is moving forward at an incredible pace, and every new update is revealing a completely different vision of this historic stadium. What was once only a massive construction site is now beginning to take the shape of the future home of FC Barcelona. In today's update, we will explore the latest transformations taking place across the stadium and see how each major step is bringing this iconic project closer to completion. A spectacular installation is now taking shape at the diamond structure, where another massive glass panel is being carefully positioned. Using a specialized vacuum lifting system, crews rotate the panel into a vertical position before guiding it with absolute precision into its final location. Standing nearly 5 meters tall, each glass section demands meticulous handling before being secured within its aluminum support frame. Alongside the installation, nearby concrete column work continues to advance, highlighting the steady pace of progress across this section of the stadium. Gol Norte continues to push the project closer to its next major milestone. With every new section installed, the compression ring is gradually taking the shape of the stadium's future roof. Today, Tower Crane TC5 carefully lifts another compression ring box into position, while crews guide the segment through one of the most delicate stages of the installation. As work progresses across both Gol Norte and Gol Sud, this vital structural system continues expanding day by day. Inside the stadium, the transformation of the pitch is becoming increasingly evident. Specialized machinery remains focused on preparing the surface for the future natural grass installation, while excavators remove processed material to keep operations moving efficiently. At the same time, structural work continues elsewhere as another compression ring box is installed at Gol Norte, showcasing the simultaneous progress taking place across multiple areas of the project. The VIP ring is beginning to showcase its finished appearance. With additional scaffolding now removed, newly installed doors, aluminum framing, and curtain wall elements are giving this section a cleaner, more complete look as finishing work steadily progresses. Higher up, attention remains focused on the third tier. Crews continue advancing support structures, stairway construction, and interior finishing work, bringing this massive section steadily closer to its next construction milestone. The diamond structure is now entering one of its busiest construction phases. Additional column formwork is being installed while reinforced steel continues expanding across the upper sections. Compared to the previous update, the number of completed concrete columns has increased noticeably, demonstrating the remarkable speed at which this area is progressing. Every new day is bringing this structure closer to completion. More scaffolding has been assembled, and the first floor support beams are now in place, laying the groundwork for the upcoming floor slab installation. With only a handful of columns still awaiting concreting, this section is rapidly approaching another significant construction milestone. Beyond the main structure, steady progress can also be seen around the mobility cores. While the decorative facade panels have yet to be installed, crews remain fully engaged in preparing the supporting framework. Protective membranes and reinforcement mesh now cover several sections, leaving the area almost ready for the next concrete works. Construction teams are wasting no time in keeping the momentum alive. Shortly after another reinforcement cage was installed, crews immediately positioned the final remaining one, leaving the last columns almost ready for concreting. With each passing update, the lateral sector continues to demonstrate impressive construction progress. Activity remains constant throughout the surrounding mobility cores. Multiple crews are working simultaneously around the stair and elevator structures, while elevated platforms continue supporting steel framework installation and other structural works across the area. A major transition is now underway at the first diamond structure. Temporary formwork panels are gradually being removed following the successful completion of the concrete works, revealing the finished structural elements beneath. As more supports disappear, this section is clearly advancing into its next phase and continues to rank among the fastest progressing areas of the lateral sector. Inside the stadium, construction activity remains in full swing across the first tier. Crews continue preparing the future hospitality and restaurant areas, while floor treatment progresses with the application of epoxy coating. Nearby, structural adjustments and concrete block modifications are also underway, showing that interior finishing work is steadily advancing across multiple sections of the stadium. Gol Norte is steadily revealing more of the stadium's future identity. Decorative louvers continue to be installed beneath the overhang, as cranes carefully lift each section into place, and elevated platforms assist with precise positioning. Additional louvers are already lined up for the next installations, ensuring the workflow remains uninterrupted. Although substantial progress has already been achieved, a considerable amount of installation still lies ahead before this section reaches its completed appearance. A significant step forward is now unfolding at Gol Norte. Crews have begun installing the first staircase section that will provide access to the logistics ring at level 2.5. Welding operations are already in progress, marking the beginning of another important phase inside this section of the stadium. And elsewhere, the VIP ring cores are becoming more complete with every passing update. Additional sandwich panels are being installed along the rear sections, gradually enclosing more of the structure. As finishing work continues, this area is steadily taking on its final appearance. Construction activity remains strong at the Gol Norte Tribune corner. Crews are lifting another construction container to the upper level, while 3 new structural beams have been installed since the previous update, bringing the total to 4 in this section. Several workers continue operating on the upper platform as preparations move into the next phase. Nearby, another crane is positioning a steel beam inside the mobility core beside the stairwell, where additional structural elements are still awaiting installation. Temporary support frames are also standing by for upcoming lifting operations, demonstrating that work across this section is progressing with impressive consistency. One of today's biggest structural updates comes from the Tribune, where a large number of compression ring components are now staged and ready to be lifted to the 3rd level, bringing this section closer to its next major milestone. Most of the main structural framework is now in place, while temporary support frames beside the stadium store indicate that compression ring installation in this sector is expected to begin soon. Another major milestone can be seen at the future stadium store, where newly installed access doors are now visible on the diamond structure. These doors were reportedly placed yesterday afternoon, marking another clear step toward the opening of this new retail space. Progress is also continuing around the exterior of the store diamond. Crews are working from the surrounding scaffolding, and this activity suggests that the final appearance of the concrete block walls could soon begin to take shape. Another productive day has added several important milestones to the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou. With structural work advancing across the diamond structures, the compression ring continuing to expand, and finishing work progressing throughout the stadium, the project is moving steadily closer to its next major phase. We'll continue following every significant development and bring you the latest construction updates as this iconic stadium takes shape.